Hi there. If you are a manager or future manager in a municipal or county government office here in the state of Michigan, I'd like to welcome you to join us for our two-day strength-based leadership and teamwork course. We have two dates on the schedule for 2024 here in Michigan. The first is on August 14th and 15th in Grayling, and the second is October 29th and 30th in Lansing. My name is John Collins, and I'm a leadership and expertise coach specializing in working with clients in authoritative, high responsibility occupations. Most of my clients work in the public sector, and they confront a variety of opportunities and challenges that are common but rather unique in government agencies. The goal of our workshop is to help you take your professional effectiveness as a leader or influencer to the next level by achieving high resolution self-awareness. That is a state of personal and professional excellence in which individual professionals gain a complete and lasting understanding of their naturally occurring strengths and personality traits. But we take it one step further. As you come to understand yourself, your abilities, and your tendencies, you will learn how to use these principles to better influence and empower the members of your team. Too often, government leadership focuses on what's wrong with people, what they are not doing well, or why they are not performing as expected. And most of the time, this approach just doesn't work as well as we think it should. In strength-based leadership and teamwork, you're going to learn what makes people really tick, what inspires them to become motivated and committed to the mission of the team, and what prevents them from getting mired in toxic attitudes and stuck in feelings of frustration and resentment. You're also going to learn the common leadership mistakes that shut people down, what depletes them of their energy, and what drives them to wish they were doing something else, somewhere else. Strength-based leadership and teamwork is a game changer that I developed in partnership with Miami-Dade, Florida, one of the largest government complexes in the United States. And I'm excited to share this experience with my friends, colleagues, and clients right here in the Great Lakes State. So remember, your path to establishing yourself as an effective, trusted, and empowering influencer of people begins on August 14th in Grayling or October 29th in Lansing. Please click the link provided or visit criticalvictories.com/strong-team for information about the program and the instructions that you'll need to register. And if you have any questions, please give me a call at 517-803-4063, or you can shoot me an email at office@criticalvictories.com. I'm really looking forward to sharing this amazing journey towards self-discovery and public sector leadership excellence with you.